Hi everyone, I'm makeup artist Olivia Rose and I'm here with Sheer Luxe today to show you how to do a glazed skin in partnership with Space NK. So I'm starting with skin prep and I'm using Charlotte's Magic Hydrator Mist. So with glazed skin, it's all about skincare prep. So I love to start with a hydrator mist just to get lots of hyaluronic acid, make the skin really glowy before we've even got to the makeup section. Next, I'm going to use Magic Serum and really massage it into the skin. Also going to bring it down the neck. Moisture is a key part of prepping any makeup, but especially with glazed skin. So I'm going to lock in all that moisture from the serum now with Magic Cream. And the way I like to apply this is one dot on each cheek, one dot on the forehead, one on the chin, one on the nose and on the neck. Once you've added your moisturiser and your serum, this is a great opportunity for a little face massage. So I like to use a serum and a moisturiser when I prep my skin, especially for glazed skin, because I feel like the serum gets to the deeper level of the skin and then the moisturiser just locks in all that goodness and you're going to get a really hydrated, gorgeous, glowy base. So once I finish with skincare, I like to go in with my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, as I feel this really preps the skin. It's gonna just give you the best base to work from. So as foundation today, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury's Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint. So I'm gonna swipe 2 swipes on each cheek, one on my chin, one down my nose, and one across my forehead. And the beauty with this is that you can use your fingers or you can also use a brush. So I'm going to use my fingers on this side and you can just rub this in, and because you've got amazing skin prep underneath, this is literally just going to rub in like you would with a moisturiser, and you can already see it's just giving the most beautiful like glazed skin, really sheer, really glowy. I feel like with a brush you get a little bit of a sheerer finish with this product. So if you don't like as much coverage, then the brush is a really good option for you. And you can see how gorgeous and glowy I'm already getting glazed skin with just lots of skincare and using this foundation stick. Next, I'm going to use Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer. Just going to pop a little bit on each inner corner of the eye and just a small dab on each outer corner, a little bit on the corners of my nose and under my mouth, and then just a little bit down the centre. These are the areas that I like to just add a little bit of concealer and coverage just to sort of brighten. They're kind of like the areas that I find hit the light, and I'm just gonna blend these in. So to add a little bit more dimension and depth to a glazed look, I'm gonna use the Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint again, but in a deeper shade, a cooler tone, just to give a little bit more dimension and depth to this look. I feel like just a nice sun-kissed sort of blusher will just marry this whole look together and give you really kind of natural looking glowy glazed skin. So again, you can use your fingers or you can use a brush when applying this product, and I like to just tap a little bit on the apples of my cheek and then just blend up and out to sort of give a bit more of a snatched kind of feel to the look. I also like to do a little bit over the bridge of the nose just so that it feels really cute and summery, and then tap on the lips just to marry the whole look together as well. Even though we want a really glazed skin, we also want it to look kind of put together and meaningful, and we want to take away a little bit of shine in areas that we don't want the shine. So I'm going to use a small brush that's a little bit more of a pinpoint kind of application, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of powder directly under the eye, between the brows, and just on the corner of the nose and on the chin. Even though you've already used setting spray, it's a really nice final touch just to lock all of this goodness in all day long. And that's how I like to finish off my glazed skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these tips.